All right, y'all, Jason from Kilowatt RC checking in with y'all. Got this crazy Losi 46 pounds and a half, dual 12S. Got the crazy Maxx wheels on here. They are on my website, kilowattRC.com. The link will be in the description below. Let's go ahead and hit track, start, stop, read, 1 mile an hour, track. Let's see the speed register. It is. Let's start. Let's go ahead and run today, see what we can get. All right. Let's see what it's like. Let's go. A little windy, a lot of crosswind. That's just the nature of speed on it. That was. He's going pretty good. I like that pass. She's going pretty good. The thing is, I can't really get on it here. There's no room. She sounded good. Let's see what speed that was. Like I said, these Maxx wheels, man, they are amazing. This is a 46-pound beast, bro. These wheels are amazing. Check them out on my website. Where's the phone at? It's crazy how good these things are. See, the speed is registering. So we're gonna hit stop, read, 137 miles an hour. 137 miles an hour. That's a new PB. Let's go ahead and run it back. Let's do another pass. Let's go a little harder on it, okay? Why not? Got a new PB. Track, start, stop, read, cool. Track, speed is registering, start. Yeah, we'll try to beat that. Probably not gonna really beat that because that should have been the real fast pass, but it's hard getting this thing. You gotta get the perfect throttle pull. You know what I mean? Like I said, there's not much room. Probably would have did 138, but I kind of stopped a little early. So we're gonna try to run it a little longer on this pass. All right, let's go again. See what that was. I don't think that beat the 137. It might have. I was on it longer, but we lost voltage. So it is what it is. All I'm saying is, these wheels are on my website, Kilowatt RC. All right? Same day shipping if it's on a weekday. Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost killed myself. Yeah, I don't know if we beat that 137. We might have got lucky and got 138, but if not, probably 136. I'm not sure. This phone is stupid. All right, see the speed? Registering. Stop. Read. Oh, we got the 138. Yeah, we got it. We got the 138. Stop. Start. Stop. Read. Pull. Stop. Yep, 138's right there, we got it. So, this is the setup right here. You know what? I'll show you guys the setup. I don't really get to show you because I have it all taped up and all kind of stuff. I'll show y'all what's going on here. Yeah, she should have did 140, but it is what it is. So here's the setup. Oh, the camera fell off. Damn. Yeah, so here's the setup. Dual 12S. Shit, my batteries came loose on this side. That's how hard I am on the brakes. I use this tape to hold down my battery so we don't get nothing crazy. But yeah, this is the setup. 12S Losi. Dual motor. So you got the old school hobby wings up in there. 56113s. Got the Vitavon rear drive shaft brakes. Them pins is getting killed. Got the Vitavon wing on here. Got the Vitavon RX box. Got the Saga Racing my 1.5 gears on here. And yeah. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Got 138. Man, make sure, man, these wheels are on the website. You know what I'm saying? Just did 138 with these things. Come on, man. These are legit by far. So, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see y'all next time. All right, y'all. Peace.